Hi there, I'm Cassie, one of the food editors here at Good Food. Today we're going to be making 3 hearty and delicious dinners in the air fryer. We've got some pork and potato koftas, a tuna pasta bake, and an easy roast dinner. Come and join me, let's get cooking. This is Air Fryer 101. First up, we're going to make some pork and potato kofta. Now these little meatballs are packed with flavour and are super easy to make, perfect for any meal. So we're going to combine some minced pork with a grated potato. Now this will help to keep the kofta really nice and juicy in the air fryer. Now to add lots of flavour to the kofta, we're going to add some grated onion and garlic, some freshly chopped parsley, smoked paprika, some cumin seeds, a pinch of chili flakes, and some salt and pepper. Now we'll just combine everything together in the bowl. Once the potato and pork is really well combined with all the flavourings, you can start squeezing it into a kofta shape with your hand. So just take a nice small handful and squeeze it into a long meatball shape. And then we'll pop them straight into the air fryer. Okay, I've brushed the kofta with a little bit of oil. Now it's into the air fryer for 15 to 18 minutes until they're lovely and golden brown and cooked through. Okay, I've made a delicious fresh grain salad to go with the kofta, and they're now ready, so we can just pull them out of the air fryer. I'm serving them with some hummus, but you could use some tzatziki or some whipped feta if you prefer. And we just need a squeeze of lemon. How gorgeous do they look? Give them a go. Next, we're going to prep a comforting tuna pasta bake. This is the perfect cozy dinner for 2. And I'm going to make the whole thing in the drawer of the air fryer. And you can make this in a baking dish if you have one which fits, but I find this much easier. So into the drawer, we're going to pop our onions, garlic, and some oil. And we'll just pop that into the air fryer at 190 for a few minutes until the onions and garlic have softened. Okay, the onions and garlic are looking softened and they smell delicious, so I'm going to stir in some chili flakes, which are completely optional. You can leave them out if you'd like, and some chopped tomatoes. Season that up with a pinch of salt. Give that a good stir, and then that's back into the air fryer for another 5 minutes. Okay, my beeper's gone, so it's time to stir in the cooked pasta, as well as some tuna, which I've just drained from a jar, and some herbs and mozzarella cheese. Now you can play around with this and add whatever kind of ingredients you like. If you've got some veggies left over in the fridge that you want to add, then by all means throw those in as well. This is a really versatile dish. We'll just pop half of the mozzarella cheese in and save some to put on top for a nice golden crispy topping. And some nice fresh parsley. Give that a good stir. Some salt and pepper. Back into the air fryer until it's gorgeous, bubbling and golden. That's looking gorgeous. I'm just going to cover it up with some foil and then pop it back into the air fryer for another 5 minutes until it's piping hot. Okay, the pasta bake's done and it looks fantastic. This tuna pasta bake is everything you want in a quick and easy dinner. It's comforting, cheesy, and full of flavour. For our grand finale, we're going to cook a roast dinner in the air fryer. Now this is a simple chicken roast dinner which can be cooked for 2 people for those times when you need a roast dinner but you don't want to turn the oven on. So I've just been soaking some potatoes in some water for about half an hour just to remove some of that starch. I've drained them and I'm just going to dry them off really well with some kitchen paper. Then toss them into a bowl with a little bit of oil and some seasoning, and then we're going into the air fryer. Okay, we'll start them for 10 minutes at 190. Okay, after 10 minutes, our potatoes are looking nicely softened and a little bit golden. Now we're going to add the chicken. So I've got 1 large chicken breast here, which I've just cut in half. You can choose chicken breast with the skin on or off, whatever is your preference. And we'll just pop that into the space in the air fryer, drizzle it with some oil and season it up with salt and pepper. Okay, the chicken's had 10 minutes in the air fryer. I'm just going to take it out so I can pop the carrots in. Give everything a nice mix around, and then I'll pop the chicken back on top, and that just goes back into the air fryer for another 10 minutes until the chicken's nice and brown and cooked through. Crispy roast potatoes, the chicken looks lovely and golden and succulent, nice soft carrots, and of course our roast dinner wouldn't be complete without some green veggies and some gravy. So there you go, a really quick and easy roast dinner made in the air fryer in no time at all. It looks delicious, make sure you give it a go. What an incredible lineup of dishes we've created today. From the flavourful pork and potato köfte to the cheesy tuna pasta bake, and of course the hearty roast dinner. There's something here for everyone to enjoy. Thanks for joining me today. Get the full recipe in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon for more episodes, and visit goodfood.com or download our app for more tasty recipes.